It's really spacious for a small camper. Hey everybody, it's Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Today I'm back with the all-new 2026 Jayco 24FK. This is a different take on their 26FK floor plan. A little bit shorter, a little bit lighter, still gives you just about the same floor plan now. So starting up in your front kitchen area here, this is the nose of your camper right up front. You got plenty of storage down here. So you got storage there, you got drawers that go all the way to the floor. Great unit. I can see this one being a really popular seller. Down below, you got storage under the sink, which is nice. Two-piece stainless steel sink right here, and plenty of counter space up here. If you like cooking in the kitchen, this is the camper for you. You got windows, windshield, another window right over there. And then you even got little pop-up chargers right here. So if you want to hook up the coffee pot, crock pot, you got a spot to do that. Over this way, you got 3-burner cooktop, little knife rack right behind it here too. And then taking a look at the inside there, decent sized space for an RV oven. And then checking out down below, you've got large drawer, good for the pots, the pans, all that good stuff. Got your little range hood right up here too. There's a little light under there. Then you got the Envision microwave as well. And you got even storage right up top too, so you can even put like your plates, your cups right up here, all that good stuff. And this is deep. It's me reaching all the way back in there. Checking out your living space, Envision refrigerator, 12 volt right over here. Opens right here. And then down below, got your freezer space down there. Then you've got fireplace, entertainment center, RV technologies, Bluetooth stereo. Then you got your Sansui smart television. Over next to your door here, you're gonna have your coat closet. So you got some storage shelves in there, a little coat hanger spot, and then these shelves do remove as well. So if you just kind of want some more space there, you can probably even put like a tension rod in there. Put some more clothes, and then you got storage drawer below it too, as well as your converter right here. This is going to be your fuses and breakers, and then it is an auto detect as well. So if you want to put a lithium battery in here, you can. Checking out the specs, this is 26 feet 6 inches overall, and then you are 6,000 pounds dry weight. So nice small lightweight camper. Up this way, you've got your connections, so lights, your water pump, slide, awning, and then for your 60,000 BTU on-demand hot water heater. Coming over this way, checking out the theater seats, 2 recliners here. You do have some hidden storage right down here, so that slides out. Good spot for the magazines and the iPads. Storage right in the armrest. Then you have 2 cup holders. And then to engage the theater seat, you just pull this little parachute cord right here. So that kicks right out. And then these are the wall hugger theater seats. So they do pull down pretty far. So you can take a nice nap right on these theater seats here. You got windows right behind you too. So G20 tinted windows. You got the pull down roller shades on these as well. You still have the reflective side on the other. All right, moving on. Let's go check out the bedroom. And then right before your bedroom, you got your Coleman Mach AC right there. So that's how you work it. Coming into the bedroom, you do have a separate bed slide on here too. 26-foot trailer, 2 slides on it. Second entryway door as well. You got a big wardrobe space in here. And then your queen size bed. Then there is storage under this bed too. So huge storage space. And then you also have storage over the top. Backed by Jayco's 2-year warranty. Some more information on it right there. Don't be fooled, Jayco's 2+3. Up top, more storage. You get all this nice shiplap look towards the back of the bed. And then we'll come check out the closet space here too. If you guys have made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. Sliding down your closet door, big wardrobe hanging space in here. So plenty of storage. And then down below, you do have more storage over here too. So lots of storage space in there, and then you can get this third little cabinet. And you do have 2 entrances to your bathroom. Checking out your vanity there, you do have a medicine cabinet in here, as well as undermounted sink. So here's your medicine cabinet here, plenty of space. And you do have storage right below. So huge storage space there as well. You do have outlets right next to the sink. Then you got your kind of half moon shaped shower, big shower surround, and then skylight in here too. I'll hop in here, show you guys what kind of room you get. Still pretty roomy. It's a little small in my opinion, but it's a 26-foot camper with a luxury bathroom like this. What else can you ask for? Then foot flush toilet right outside the shower there. Then you get a little storage cabinet right up top for your linens. Also vent fan in here too. Another pan back through. We'll go take a look on the outside of it. Yeah, and then that was your secondary entrance to your bathroom right there as well. It is raining today, so I'm not looking forward to this, but I will do it for you guys watching at home. So you got the climate shield on this unit as well, so you're rated from 0 to 100 degrees. Then they do use the Asdel on the interior and exterior wall. It's a nice pan on the outside. It is a dual axle. I'm sure a lot of you had that question. And then over here, Suburban on-demand hot water heater. And then you do have your furnace right there. Checking out this way, you got your pass-through storage. And then you got connections for your cap lights. You got outside outlets here, and then you do have light right in here as well. You got this really nice front cap to it as well with that automotive grade windshield. And you got these nice docking lights to it as well. 2 20-pound propane bottles, power tongue jack as well. We'll slide towards the back. Looks like you've got some radial tires on it, 14-inch. More outside outlets, spot for an outside cable connection. Then your power awning's almost the entire length of the camper. So you get a huge power awning on a little 26-footer like this. Down below, this one's got the rock solid stabilizers, but you can do electric leveling on this unit if you'd like. Ladder to get to the roof, and then your roof is rated for 4,500 pounds distributed. And then down below you do have a 2x2 hitch receiver, so you can put like a bike rack back there. And then here's your 2 slide outs. Here's your driver's side of it. It's got cable connection right down below, your water connection, your black tank flush, and your 30 amp power cord. Over this way you've got your sewer offshoots right there. And on the underside, you do have a spot for sewer hose storage. Definitely a nice unit. Continuing this way, this is going to be another little storage on it right here too. So any bit of storage definitely helps. Outside shower, got a vent right there, and then the other side of your passenger storage. Then you do have a battery quick disconnect switch right there as well. Backing away from the unit, give you guys another good pan of it. I'd like to know your guys' thoughts down below. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this floor plan. Is this good compared to the 26 FK? I feel like a lot of people are always looking to get something a little bit shorter, something you can get into all the campgrounds. Let's get one more pan back through the inside of here. Definitely a beautiful coach. Nice, small, lightweight couples coach travel trailer. Believe you can even do a little hide-a-bed option right here too, if you did want some extra sleeping capability in here. Other than that, it's pretty much strictly a couples coach. Get one last look through the bathroom as well. yeah, guys. Just want to say thanks again for watching. If you guys can like, subscribe, comment, really appreciate that. Once again, it's Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing. Watch another video. Thank you.